This is a quick video on save as, and create a new folder. This document is complete now, and I need to save it, which means I need to, number one, give it a name. I need to tell the computer where to save it. So I'm going to go, and if I click the save icon up here on the top, it will take me to the Save As screen. Save As tells me that this document has never been saved before and I need to give it a name. But first I need to choose where I want it to be placed or to be saved. So I go to Browse, and I'm going to go ahead and put it inside my documents because I have a whole document file, and I have a lot of files. But I'm going to make a new folder for this one because sometimes when you're saving your folders, you need to categorize them or file them like you would in a filing cabinet. So I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it Practice Documents. Okay, now I have to open that folder, so I click Open. And now notice I am on this computer in the Documents folder, in the Practice Documents folder. And I'm going to save this one as Practice, Practice number 1. And now it's saved. See, the name comes up here. I've saved it. Okay, so let's say I need to put the Practice number 1 document in a different place. I'm going to go back to, if I go to save to the icon, it's just going to save it. It's not going to ask me where I want to put it. I've already named it. It's just going to save it. If I want to move it to another location, like to a USB or to another folder, you have to go to File, Save As, Browse, decide where you want to put it. This time I'm going to put it in the let's put it in the Practice folder, and I'm going to call it Practice 1, and I'm going to click Save. Okay, so now by saving it or doing the Save As, I have named the document Practice number 1. I have saved it in a place, and if I go down here to my directory of all my files, my file directory, and I look at my documents, I can see where I have one called Practice and Practice Documents. Okay, and I open Practice, and there is my Practice number 1, which I just created. And you have learned how to save as, and create a new folder.